King Prthu spoke, "My dear great sages, auspiciousness personified, it is very difficult for even the mystic yogis to see you. Indeed, you are very rarely seen. I do not know what kind of pious activity I performed for you to grace me by appearing before me without difficulty. When something uncommon happens in one's progressive spiritual life, it should be understood to be incurred by a jata sukriti, or pious activities beyond one's knowledge. To see personally the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or his pure devotee, is not an ordinary incident. When such things happen, they should be understood to be caused by previous pious activity, as confirmed in Bhagavad Gita. Yesham taviyantagatam pam jananam punya kamanam. One who is completely freed from all the resultant actions of sinful activities and who is absorbed only in pious activities can engage in devotional service. Although Maharaj Prithu's life was full of pious activities, he was wondering how his audience with the Kumars happened. He could not imagine what kind of pious activities he had performed. This is a sign of humility on the part of King Prthu, whose life was so full of pious activities that even Lord Vishnu came to see him and predicted that the Kumaras would also come.